Oh. Your presence is worth an attic. I didn't know we had an attic.
It's not even. It's literally just like empty space with wood and insulation. Like.
Wow. Sorry. Let's do this. No chat. There we go. Sorry. Feet are ugly? No. No. Need 2 regular ones. Something like that. You look weird. I'm good. Trouble for being like perfectly clean. Sorry about the burp. When you cater to people that have a roommate fetish. Corona. How about Dos Equis? I like Dos Equis, but they only had Corona at the store. It's very white Canada. Already. You got like the camera aimed at my boobs better now. There you go. Sorry. My bad.